What's up, everyone? This is Dr. White. So here's a brief introduction of our new scholarship database that we're launching August 1st. It's called the Plug Scholarship Database. And what it's going to feature is the organization name, the major or demographic that's being targeted for that scholarship. There's the month, the web link, as well as the age range for the eligible age range, the amount of the scholarship if we can find it, which most times we can, the essay type if it's designated or known, and then there's a full robust description. Not to mention there's the web link. That's the most important section, the website link to the scholarship. Also, students will also be able to click this hyperlink to get and download our scholarship tracking chart. So that's also a handy feature that is free as a part of the Prep Factory and being a subscriber. And the website and email and phone number, all of our contact information. If I go back to the database, and then here's a video on how do you filter if you wanted to filter. You will not be able to download the database. It is subscription based. It is not shareable once you have it. So be sure to, that's why we gave the hyperlinks there. A lot of the scholarship databases, there are books, or you have to actually go through their website to get constant access. We wanted to free that up for you. So our scholarships range really from kindergarten to grad school. That's another feature that we're really excited about. So you'll see here's I'm just scrolling down, so you'll see the scholarships that we have here. And it just goes on and on. Our goal is to get to have as many scholarships in here as possible. We're targeting at least 2,000 to 3,000 by the end of the year. So, and then the deadlines obviously will roll around, keep coming around. So we have scholarships that are designated for radio, TV, and film, STEM, agriculture, LGBTQ, if you're a childhood cancer survivor, even if you're a parent, the sibling of a cancer survivor. There's scholarship hubs in here, students with Down syndrome, all types of resources available so that you can maximize opportunities. Some scholarships are for particular cities in a particular state. So we want to just make sure that we give you access to as much money as possible for a very low fee. All right, be a subscriber.